Father God, we need some money. Please, Father God, our Father who art in heaven, all our bills, but I send some money, please come. Some money, more money, 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 money.
My guys.
Zero prize, motherfucker. First prize, motherfucker. Your size, motherfucker. Zero bright, motherfucker. Pure lies, motherfucker. And then in the dark, that one you look sticky. Think you can save him? Play the massacre right now. Me don't know, you know.
Let's do it. We know say them just a bygone and everybody know them just a shy bad. Just a shy bad. Wind a roll down and everybody get it in the inside. None no survive. Gone run out with.
That normally working. Play the cartel.
Right, the baddest lyricist around us.
Lyricist what?
Oh, you mean? The man that lyrically inclined.
So what them in blind? The teacher have to sing line. DJ not in the mind. Can't cut your nose for this thing.
Clear the place, clear the place. Sure. Not the same way. Alright, clear the place. Look like we're gonna lose him. He's alive! He's alive! He's alive! Yes! How did me hear some done say that say from you come out of your mother, your name front? Well, that a friend your baby brother. So you tell me say you used to shit up yourself when you're a baby, you go do it now? And I talk about every man bow. Every man bow way. Now your world of eat. And I got talk about every man suck the mother. First woman pull out a titty with milk right now, I suck it. Alright class, today I'm going to build a sentence out of the word anode. A-N-O-D-E. Sir, this is like a conductor of electricity of sorts. Okay, work with technology and them stuff there. Me match up that. Me spell that for you. Me literally. Me. Go ahead. Alright, so me and Kelisha did a text, right? And Kelisha said she liked my style and she don't want to link up on you. And me are the best man ever. So Kelisha said she want to say something to me and that's something where she think me now really too like. So Kelisha, what you have to say to me? After where I come from, you can say it to me. You good. Yeah, you know me like that. So Kelisha said, she did have one boyfriend before me, and things never too good. He work. He was an electrician. He work light place. So we said, so we specialize in a different thing, an electrician. And she say, I'm not that she really want to talk to me that about. So we said, I'm not that more asking you that, I just that one if you could have sent me a nude.
Class, today I want to make a word, or a sentence rather, out of the word computer. Computer, like we use, type the homework and stuff. Yeah, computer. You man in the back, you over there. I'm picking on you. Alright, sir, so me I work at the airport, and then this foreign man, me I unload him jacket and I scan him. I'm gonna take him jacket from him, and then I'm take him coat. So I'm say, wait, I'm say something funny on him coat. Something funny, real funny. So I'm look on him coat, I'm say, sir, what is by your coat? And him say, look at that shirt. So I say, oh. I'm say, alright. So I unload him jacket now and him luggage in the place and it scan go up. I'ma say, what this, in this. So I chew it down on the dirty floor. Come, sir, come take out this and tell me what you have in this now. So man says, sir, no need to get upset. What? Look what you can put here.
Class vocabulary exercise. Make a sentence out of the word asparagus. Oh, sir, me can't deal with it. Me must sit up.
Alright, go ahead, go to it.
Yes, sir. So, Tom, Jam, and Perry did go catch crab in the crab bush, right? Them did catch crab the whole night. They did it. So Tom John said to Jones, what we are going to cook them crab here with when we don't catch them, dog? A whole heap of crab we're going to catch, you know. Him said, you can cook some Ask Perry, yeah, man. So Perry said, maybe we can cook some, spinach or some callaloo. So Tom Jones said, whoever here cook spinach with callaloo and crab, dog. Just easy, that. So Perry said, maybe we can cook some dumpling. So Tom Jones and the next one gone out, we're out more now. So Perry left back. So Tom Jones and Jones said to Perry, oh, you walk so slow, man. Hurry up and get your ass here with us. Alright, class. Today I'm going to build a sentence out of the word anode. A-N-O-D-E. Sir, this is like a conductor of electricity of sorts. Okay, work with technology and them stuff there. Me match up that. Me spell that for you. Me liter that. Me. Go ahead. Alright, so me and Kelisha did a text, right? And Kelisha said she like my style and she go out link up one day. And me are the best man she ever did. So Kelisha said she wanna say something to me and that's something where she think me now really too like. So I said, Kelisha, what you have to say to me? As far away I come from, you can say it to me. We good. Yeah, you know me like that. So Kelisha said she did have one boyfriend before me and things never too good. He was an electrician, he work light place. So I said, so I'm specializing in a different thing, an electrician. And she say, I'm not that she really want to talk to me that about. So I said, I'm not that more asking you that, I just that one if you could have sent me a nude.
Class, today we have a local vocabulary exercise. Want to make a sentence out of the word California. California? Yes. Sir, me, sir, me. Nincompoop. Go ahead. Yes, sir. Alright. Sir, so Bev and Kelly did a go buy cash pot, right? Bev said to Kelly, hey, I think I know the winning number and I know exactly where man I play. Come on, we'll go around there, go lay away at the cash pot man now. So Bev said, after we lay away at the cash pot man, we are going to catch a winning number and we are going to win big. So Bev said to Kelly, tell Tata to carry the phone. Kelly said, which phone? The phone with the winning number, them I have all I winning number them in night. Kelly said she not tell Tata nothing. So Bev said, tell Tata for California.
Welcome, Molly done. Alright, so me have a bad redeem today. So here we are going to do. I just put the picture them on the screen and you just make it sound as you go. You can do that? Alright, me I play the reading, but
long time in no pop off a pill. Tell a bitch me repair a drink. Ice a drop off a wrist. German here key with the banana clip. Wah wah, Matty coffee ratchet up. Bad gal, me have to get my cocky soap. She lick it sloppy like a lollipop. After me fuck you, me say adios. And if me lucky, me will slam me first. Slap up your body, papa.
Kitten show use dirty crab. Canine use tea for the lunch. Kitten show use hard tackle. Canine don't take that enough. Punta Keta, go! Dog MX, I choose you. It's Mach 67, we've got all the latest Machs. You feeling mucky? Well, we've got this Mach for you. So turn your dials all the way up to 67 and hear the preview of the Mach list we have for you to pre-order and get it today for just $9.99. Featuring hit cracks like Gyal a bite pan the tip of the patty, so it hatty, hatty, still a going at tummy. Yeah. Gyal a bite pan the tip of the patty, so it hatty, hatty, still a going at tummy. Gyal a bite the patty, but she bite the patty, one share in an office, so you're lucky with a rocky, but me and them dirty, when I'm push it, chocolate like the place, mushy, 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 sorry daddy, but she here with a muck. I don't dip on she burnt paper, she never talk, never save none for later. The summer hit, fry the chicken to the max. I just wanna fry the chicken but dry. Mama fry them dry, 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 dry. You see the credit card there where you got. Look on the walk on the pin, give me that. Let me take a girl, can't spend the max. Buy one bag of chicken, but buy the box. Classics like Street Fight. She have a like the ditch, like the floor. We get married, and I love you. Alright. Last night, when you meet the girl in the street fight, you dance smash up in the liquor with the mic. We know the select to feel it when you hear my eyes like if you're alright. Not to mention #1 tracks like Which Breast. For the first time I do it every time. Tell you man come up the picture, that's a pussy there mine. Maybe pay up on him after work. Go with time, put that all in time. Tell you lies to pay it, can't find. I love it when you ride, love it when you more than a signer. Love it when you ride, and I don't care about me, I'm a cock when you ride. And platinum selling tracks like Passing the Chicken Breast. I'm chicken breast. Put a little pickle pepper on it, that family, the beat cool. Like to me, I carry it, go far. Put some more on that chef brawling. I just see him pan a chicken from morning, and half cow and half goat. Something on it, me a belly has a secret. If you not taste good, better you get wet. And many more, so remember to go to the nearest iTunes or Spotify and order today. Get your track now.